Hello kids, a very good morning to all. So, in today's English period, we are going to solve our grammar book, page number 49. So, take out your grammar book and open your page number 49. So, let's start. Joining words means conjunction. So, what are the conjunction? Conjunction, the words which are join words or sentences. So the conjunctions are and, but, or. Okay, but we are going to learn only and but. So let's start. Mia loves to study English. Mia loves to study maths. There are two different sentences that we are going to make it one. So we can join these sentences by using and. Mia loves to study English and maths. Okay. So here we use conjunction and. Okay. So we use and to join sentences that have the same ideas. Okay. We use and to join the sentence that have same idea. Understood? Next sentence, Aisha is short. Her sister Rimi is tall. So you can see there is two sentences, but the meaning they have different ideas. Aisha is short, but her sister Rimi is tall. Okay. We use but to join sentences that have different idea. Here you can see there is difference, means short and tall. Understood? So just keep in mind that whenever you are writing the sentences or you are joining the sentences by using conjunction, here you have to see that Aisha is short. Here you have to cut the full stop and you have to join the conjunction and the next letter if there is a naming word like a person means proper noun that you have to write a capital. Okay, or else you can write a small letters. That depend on the proper noun. And but are called joining words. They join words and sentences. Now there are some examples. Fill in the blanks with and or but. First is bring your notebooks and pencil. You can see there is a same ideas in these sentences. So we use and. My friends go camping and swimming every year. Again I use conjunction and. Kirti can speak only Bengali, but her sister can speak Bengali and Marathi. Here you can see there is difference between the sentences. Sentence, Kirti can speak Bengali, but her sister can speak Bengali and Marathi. Okay. Next is, I want to eat dosa and some vadas. I want to eat dosa and some vadas. Next is, Rajbir dropped the plate but it did not break. Rajbir dropped plate but it did not break. Here is a different idea. Means Rajbir ने प्लेट फेंकी, मीन्स ही ड्रॉप दैट प्लेट, पर वो टूटी नहीं. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज नेक्स्ट पेज. I wanted to clean my room, but I was not well. I wanted to clean my room, but I was not well. मुझे मेरी रूम क्लीन करनी थी, पर मैं बीमार था. ओके, मला माझी रूम क्लीन करायची होती, पण मी आजारी होतो त्यामुळे नाही करू शकलो. सो हियर वी यूज बट. पीटर and Charu like to dance. Peter and Charu like to dance. Farid drew a picture, but he did not color it. Mother gave me a book and a dress on my birthday. Okay. She waited for Andy, but he did not come. Understood? She waited for Andy, but he did not come. वो एंडी के लिए रुकी थी पर वो नहीं आया. Understood? So what you have to do after completing this, you have to take out your worksheet and solve this. Joining words and sentences means conjunction. We use conjunction to join words and sentences, and or are joining words. Here you can see and or are also joining words. Pat has a dog and a cat. Pat has, उसके पास बिल्ली भी है और कुत्ता भी है, ऐसे यहाँ पे बोला गया है. Is that a boy or a girl? ये गर्ल है या लड़का? ठीक है, यहाँ पे और का इस्तेमाल किया गया है कंजंक्शन में. पहले ही मैंने बोला है कि हम एंड और बट यही सीखने वाले हैं, पर और मैं आपको सिखा रही हूँ एज अ एक्स्ट्रा स्टडी. ओके. अंडरलाइन द जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स इन ईच सेंटेंस. यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. द अम्ब्रेला इज येलो एंड रेड. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस what is the conjunction? And. So underline here. Do you like chocolate or sweets? Do you like chocolates or sweets? Am I sleeping on the bed or on the couch? Am I sleeping on the bed or on couch? Give me a sandwich and a glass of milk. The dog has white and brown spots. You can write the letter to your mother or father. These candles are bright and pretty. Sam and Annie are playing in the field. Sam and Annie are playing in the field. Okay. So, what you have to do? Today you have to complete page number 49 and half 50, as well as you have to complete your worksheet. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.